I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Kumbaga, twist yung question eh. Palakpakan naman po muna natin ang cast and characters of Roja. Pero hindi pa po tayo tapos ha. Hindi pa po tayo tapos. It's just a little breather from this media con. I would like to stick to Donnie and Kyle. So Kyle, kung iti-describe ninyo ang final week ng Roja sa isang salita lamang, ano ito?
Grabe naman. One
bakit?
word.
Maybe a phrase, a word or a phrase.
Huh? Ano? One word? Bang. Yun na lang. Bang.
Bang!
Bang.
Bang!
Oo.
Kasi ba action?
Yeah.
Yeah. Explosive ending. Pwede, no?
Yes. Explosive.
Explosive ending. Donnie, for you. Kung bang kay Kyle sa'yo,
Pew!
Hindi, ano ba? Boom? Hindi. Siguro... finish line.
One word nga eh.
Pwede lang phrase? Pwedeng phrase daw. Ano yun?
bakit finish line for you?
Parang nagets mo na kung bakit nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay. Kahit maraming kailangan isakripisyo, nandun ka sa point na there's still hope, you know? And as long as you're breathing, as long as buhay ka, may purpose ka pa rin sa buhay na to. And I think that's the biggest thing we will see, you know, in the finale, is that despite everything that happened talaga sa La Playa Roja, sa lahat ng buhay namin lahat dito, something good can still come out.
Alright, so finish line for Donnie and bang for Kyle. So next question addressed to a couple of cast members, starting off with Sir Raymond. Looking back at your entire journey dito sa Roja, how has playing your character changed the way you personally view justice, loyalty, or even revenge? Thank you to our media friends.
Well, how did I apply it to my life?
Yes, sir. Justice,
Mahirap
loyalty.
kasi pag sinabi kong hindi kami nagkakalayo ni Magnus marami isipin sa akin ng tao hindi naman. Siguro yung values, nagkakamali, nagbibigay ng puso sa iba na hindi naman dapat. Tapos, natututunan yung mga pagkakamali and then ina-apply. Tapos, kumbaga reintegration ng kanyang value system, reintegration throughout Magnus' journey. Na-realize niya gaano kahalaga ang mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Nabigyan ng pahalaga ang bawat nagbibigay sa'yo ng atensyon. I think that's something that I would like to carry. I think Magnus carried himself until the end. You know, sinacrifice ng sarili niya even to the point na he took the bullet for his family. So he was ready to die for those who loves him.
Thank you, sir. Sir Joel, you kind of touched on this earlier, but if you can expound again, how has playing your character changed the way you personally view justice, loyalty, or even revenge?
Like I said, justice is served, no? Justice shall prevail. Do not put the law into your hands. And revenge is, vengeance, they say, is best served cold. Pero the thing is, it has its own process. Kailangan you have to trust in the law, in the universal law, that justice shall prevail. And crime does not pay in the long run. If if you're not served here in this world, maybe in another world, you will have to repay for the things that you have done. So yun.
So do good,
Yep.
so
As
good things
always.
will come.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you, Sir Joel. Miss LT, sa inyo po.
Sabi na lahat. Pero yung, yung sa justice, kumbaga talaga ang ending, lagi, ano yan, masakit. Lagi merong katapat sa pagkakamali mo. May katapat na paghuhusga. Now, sa loyalty, it pays to be loyal. Siyempre, lagi. Maganda na nandun ang loyalty. Kahit naman kanino sa bawat tao, kahit na mga kaibigan mo, mas, makikita mo na mas matagal yung nakakasama mo, lalo na kung may loyalty. Now, revenge, hindi wala sa kamay natin. Maaring merong batas at merong batas ng Diyos.
Thank you, Miss LT. Miss Janice, sa inyo po.
Justice, you need to believe in justice kasi that's hope. That's also hope. If you continue to hope for justice, it will be your reason for living. Now, pagdating sa loyalty, loyalty is super important to me. Loyalty to family, loyalty to friends, loyalty to yourself.
Thank you. Yasi, for you. Justice, loyalty, or revenge?
Justice, I think, is also hope. Something na dapat hindi tayo mawalan ng pag-asa na magkakaroon ng justice. Loyalty, I love loyalty because parang pag na-experience mo yun with the right people, they can really take your life and make it so much more beautiful kapag ka nare-reciprocate yung loyalty na binibigay mo rin sa kanila. And then revenge, ako kasi wala na akong oras para dun eh. Wow! I try to be very, very positive. So parang revenge, I think, as much as possible, my old self, parang bigat-bigat pa sa loob ko yan. Parang isipin ko pa, wala, kailangan isang araw, ganyan. Hindi pwede yun mangyari sa akin, parang gano'n. Pero ngayon, day by day, I just really try to look forward, hindi na masyado look in the past.
Kasi yung revenge, vengeance din yun di ba? Na mabigat yung pakiramdam. So positive na lang. Tama. May para sa'yo?
Yung justice tsaka revenge po. Kasi believer po ako ng Panginoon. Talagang lahat sinisurrender ko yung dalawang yun sa Kanya. Lalo na po yung revenge. Kasi sabi niya, vengeance is mine. So ibig sabihin, nasa Kanya yung kumbaga lahat ng karma or consequences dun sa taong yun. Yung sa atin lang. Kapag may nagagawa ng yung taong mali sa akin, I just have to trust God talaga and put my faith in Him na siya na yung magbibigay ng justice na yun. All I have to do is to be still. So, yung sa loyalty naman po, hindi lang loyalty sa mga tao. More like sa choices ko. Loyalty ko sa vow ko. Kasi